guys, Captain Mayhew signing into TNT's Unplanned Bunker. Again, we're accompanied by LT. Today we are going to be talking about...
Okay, hold it. I'm gonna commandeer this one. Listen, everyone knows that she has her chickens and she loves her little girls, and everyone talks about how beautiful and wonderful free-range chickens are and how delicious all their, free-range eggs and how you shouldn't cage them and all that kind of stuff. That's all beautiful in theory, okay? But they are messy little creatures. So today we are going to be waging a war against these dirty creatures because they poo on everything. I have my nice little patio backyard where I like to go on Sundays, and they have claimed it for themselves. And so today we are taking them out. Alright guys, to begin this episode, first off, you have to see what I live like. And this is only after a few days of these free-range chickens. They claim everything as their own. And I have already tried lots of things, but I've been doing some research, so we're going to be trying... I'll bring you over here. Watch out for the landmines. From my research, they say that chickens don't like lemon, so I've got pure lemon extract. They don't like cinnamon, tons of cinnamon. They don't like hot peppers, well, I've got crushed red pepper. This one kind of surprises me because everyone knows chickens don't have capsaicin receptors, but we're going to try. And then just plain old white vinegar. All these are supposed to be odors that detract them from wanting to come into your garden or onto where you don't want them to be. We're going to give that a shot. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to ramp it up and we'll try other things. Alright guys, with today's episode, obviously no chickens are going to be harmed. We're not going to be putting any pesticides or poisons down or anything like that because we do have dogs and children. Plus, everyone knows Captain Mayhew loves these chickens probably more than any of us. So everything is going to be all natural, and we're going to give it a shot and try and win this battle.
The Battle of the Poo. So right now he's using baking soda, vinegar, a little bit of lemon juice, water. And we'll see how this goes.
And some Dawn dish soap to help break down the poop.
Making progress.
Chickens must poop 50 times a day per chicken. They have to.
Oh, here comes another one.
Yeah, see? They know it's clean. They want to poop on somewhere nice. These chickens do not like vinegar, the smell of vinegar. So I'm going to cover all this green salad now in vinegar for one heck of an Italian smell and kind of potpourri. Yeah. And hopefully this will help with some of the brown water.
I want a salad now.
We're gonna have chicken salad here in a little bit if this doesn't work. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, 2 gallons. Let's give this a shot. See if this keeps these chickens. Okay, so right now we are inside our house. We've closed our doors so they think that we're not out there anymore. Let's watch some chickens. See if they stay off. Oh, maybe she's smelling the vinegar, not liking the vinegar.
Or she's gonna drink the vinegar.
Look, she's staying off the grass. Love, that might work. It may actually be working. Never mind.
Did it work?
Not on that chicken, but we'll wait and see. Look, they're staying off of it. Oh, you rat son of a gun.
Hi, hey, hey.
Look at all these. They don't care. Okay. It's gonna be cinnamon time. Cinnamon. Hey, you get off my grass. Get off my lawn. Alright, credible resources have said that chickens do not like ground cinnamon. They say, you know, if they're getting into your garden and that kind of stuff, just sprinkle just a little bit of ground cinnamon in the garden and it'll keep chickens away. Let's give her a shot. I'm going to sprinkle some in that water. So now it's vinegar and cinnamon. Like it feels like I'm sprinkling like salt or holy powder around me to keep some demons off. Let's go inside and see how the chickens do with the cinnamon challenge. Alright, so it's been about 3 minutes. And let's see what these chickens do. A lot of people say cinnamon is a for sure deterrent for chickens.
Uh-oh. Mama's coming in.
I don't understand it.
They're all coming.
Look, they're all coming this way.
Although most of them are staying beyond the line.
They're staying behind the cinnamon. I sprinkled so much cinnamon over there in that rock area. Look at it! Look at her. Look, she's going right back to her spot. Look, they don't care about the cinnamon.
Nope. Number 3.
Look at you. You rotten, stubborn woman, you. Get out of there! Don't you come over here and start eating that.
I don't think crushed red pepper is a deterrent, LT.
I'm not doing the rest of that. No, they came over. They're eating that like it's scratch. Okay. No. We're gonna have to ramp this up, baby.
Alright.
It has been 5 minutes, and I literally just left to go get another idea. What are you guys doing? Oh, don't you be yelling at me. Like, the carpet is brown with cinnamon. And they don't care. Okay, so next idea. When I was a kid, we had woodpecker problems, and so CDs that you would hang up would scare them away. We'll give it a shot.
They're coming right up to you.
Get out of here!
So the reflectiveness of the CD is supposed to keep them off of something?
It's bird science. They can.
It's what?
It's bird science. I'm feeling pretty positive about this one.
You are?
Yes. As long as I can get them all in the same height. I'm telling you, love. If it works for like real intelligent birds, then it should work for chickens.
I see that.
What are you? Get out of here! Go! Where'd that one come in from?
She walked right past you.
Okay, she didn't see him. There's still a chance. There's still a chance.
So we just came inside.
She's eyeballing it.
And
Oh wait, hold on. It's spinning around her. Yay!
wow.
Okay, let's. Okay.
That one walked away too.
Yes! Okay, look. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 of the girls looking. Paying real close attention. Oh my golly, baby. Oh, wait. Look, is she sneaking in?
The white leghorn got in. Stinking Anna. Oh, look, the buffs. Oh, that one just walked right into.
Oh no! I was awestruck that it was working. There was a line of chickens that were refusing to cross. And now they're just going to be scared stuck inside and they'll poop all over the place. Okay, that's it. We're going high tech. I will take no prisoners. Okay, guys. This is my new high-tech plan. I was pretty devastated to figure out that the CDs didn't work on these chickens. Apparently, they are smarter than what I was giving chickens credit for. So now I am making a automatic chicken repeller thing. If this does not work, I don't know what will, because our dog won't mess with them. Then I'll just give them the backyard, I guess. Okay. Alright. Alright. I'm turning on the power. Alright, so now we're going to do the test. We've closed the doors. All the doors are glassed from the outside so they can't see them. Let's see what happens. Look at all those girls. Come on, you guys, test the system. She's getting ballsy. Yeah! Yeah, guys!
2 of them!
Yeah!
You got 2! You got 2!
Okay.
So did it work?
This is a success, you guys. This is a success.
Hey, why don't you go further out that way? I can't really see you very good. Keep going.
No, I know I'm in a danger zone here.
Hey, it works. It works for husbands too.
Or it's awesome.
So we tried everything from vinegar to CDs, cinnamon, lemon
Everything.
juice. Nothing worked. The only thing that seemed to work was a high-tech sprinkler system. Has the war been won by us? I don't know. We will see. But so far, so good. If you guys have chickens and you have a patch of ground that you keep them off of and you have a simpler way, then by all means put that in the comments down below because we'd love to try anything. And as always, if you've enjoyed the video, press that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get all of our latest updates. And have a great rest of your day, evening. Captain Mayhew, LT, signing off. Bye!
See ya.